Hi guys, today's video I want to show you how to make a DIY Tutu dress. Materials needed: a 1 roll soft tulle, a crochet top, 6 by 5 inches, tape measure, scissor, and a 10 inches cartoon to measure the tool. First, I bought this soft tulle from an online shop. Here in the Philippines, I bought this in Shopee. It is so affordable to make a DIY tutu dress than buying finished tutu dress, because you need to pay the labor first. This is how I cut the soft tulle, like this. In my crochet top, I need 34 cuts of soft tulle. Ikot siya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, exactly 34. Oh my god, I thought may sobra siya. Wala pala. Buti hindi lang. Then cut. And this end. And this end, cut this end. And looks like this. This is the center. Then tie it in the push it up. I put this in the second row. Second row. how you tie the soft top. Insert here. Medyo makapal yung tool dahil sa design, dahil sa snowflakes na design. And like this. Next, just watch the video until the end at ipaparaffle ko itong photo dress na to kasi wala naman akong months old na baby. Ganito. It is close. Here is the finished na guys. Okay, perfect siya pang monthly photoshoot ng mga little girl ninyo, yung baby girls ninyo. Pwede na din ito siya pang 1 year old. Yung soft tool na gamit ko is 10 yards lang, but mas maganda siya if 25 yards para mas fluffy. Sorry, buloli. Pwede din ninyo i-chob lang yan to. Pwede din lagyan ng off shoulder para as Elsa siya, frozen. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel, and hit the all notification bell para updated kayo if may bago akong video na i-upload. Dahil some of the items na i-make ko is ipaparaffle ko soon. So, abang-abang kayo guys. Thanks for watching. Bye!